Alrighty guys, what's up? Connor Todd 1818, and hopefully now I'm starting a video that will basically be the first of its kind out on YouTube. Well, maybe not the first of its kind because maybe I didn't search well enough, but hopefully this can be a good video for you guys to watch. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to dual boot or slash install Zorin with a USB drive. Now that doesn't mean that I'm going to partition the USB drive and install it on the USB drive, so whenever I plug the USB drive in, it basically runs Zorin. I'm going to teach you how to put the installer on the zip drive so that when you plug it in and then you go into your boot menu and you run it, it runs the installer. So there is only a certain amount of space I can do, or there's a certain amount of place that I can go to in the installer before I have to cancel out, but the rest is pretty self-explanatory and I can get you through the hard part. So what you're seeing right now is the Zorin screen, I guess, and basically all you're going to want to do is plug in your zip drive with your ISO, and I will make a video showing you how to do this when I get on Windows 7. But as you can see, it has all of this. Basically, that's the installer. So, you're going to want to turn off your computer. So, unfortunately, I am yet again going to this digital camera that I've been using. And it is really, really horrible, but it gets the job done all right. So, I'll close this out. Alrighty, guys. We are here on the computer. And we're just going to turn this thing on and immediately start spamming F12 when it loads up. So I'm going to go ahead and start hitting it. And it'll do that and enter the boot menu. And you've done this before when we dual booted. And I'm going to go down to this, my verbatim store and go right there, like that. And it's going to load up Zorin. And so I'm going to start the installer directly, just like this. And I can go all the way to a certain point before I have to turn it off. And you're going to get this little Zorin screen right here. And I really love the background of this startup screen because it is so good and graphic and not, repulsive to look at. And it's really just clean and not an eyesore. So I've probably talked about that too much. But anyways, you're just going to see this. It may take a second to load up, but it's going to go gray, and as you can see, it's going to say, it's going to have like this blue screen, and it's going to install, so you're going to have this screen asking you what language you want it to go into, so you're just going to hit continue, as if you're in English, and then you have this, hit continue, I'm not putting in the password just because I don't need to. Now, here's the important part. It says installation type. Now you're going to want to hit something else, okay? And that basically allows you to select your partition. So I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to load all the partition information from your computer. And I'm assuming you already made a partition, but if not, I can show you how to. Let's see. It's loading. It may take a little while just because I have this. Okay. So what you're seeing now is all of the installation, I guess, options. Let me see if I can make that bigger. I can't. Okay. So as you can see, I've got 4 partitions. That one is my recovery partition. That one is my Windows 7 partition. That one is my Zorin partition that I've already made. And that one is my Windows 8 partition. So you can see the different sizes. Now, you can see that there's one big thing that you have to do. So you have this right here, and you're going to click whatever your partition is. So this one's the 34 gigabytes, so I'm going to click that. Now, this is the only important part. You have to choose your root. So that's good. You want to make this an ext4 journaling file system. And then right here, just select this little backslash right here, and you can hit format this partition. Once you have hit OK, you just want to hit install now, and then you're good to go. So thank you for watching this, and I'm going to turn this off before anything bad happens. And let's just make sure that it works correctly. And it's loading. I'm running out of time. No! Run faster, computer. Running normal setup. Alright, and it's working perfectly fine. So thank you guys for watching this.